As summer arrives, an unusual excitement spreads among the children of the village. Like every year, Chotu, Guddu, and Pinky eagerly await the mango season. Every day, they walk to the large mango orchard and check if the mangoes have ripened. One morning, as the sweet scent of mangoes floats in the air, Chotu tells his mother, "Ami, I think the mangoes are ready. Today we'll definitely climb the tree and pick some." The three friends are full of excitement. They reach the orchard and see a tall, grand mango tree. Without waiting, Chotu climbs up swiftly. Guddu and Pinky stand below, ready to catch the falling mangoes. The tree is full of green mangoes. As Chotu plucks them one by one, he suddenly spots a strange, glowing golden mango. The moment he touches it, the wind picks up, lightning flashes, and a mysterious figure appears in the air. Carry Chor. Carry Chor, angry, says, "You tried to steal without permission. Now you must learn a lesson." In a blink, everything changes. The kids find themselves in a magical world made entirely of mangoes. Mango trees, a mango river, and mango swings. Their tests begin. The first test, patience. A beautiful ripe mango lies on a golden plate with a sign that reads, "Wait 1 hour and this mango will become 2. Chotu is tempted, but Pinky advises, "Let's wait. It might be part of the test." After an hour, the mango magically splits into 2. The second test, sharing. They find only one mango hanging from a branch. Guddu wants it all for himself, but Pinky suggests splitting it equally. Chotu agrees. They cut it into 3 equal parts using a sharp mango leaf. A golden light shines and Carry Chor's voice echoes. Those who share, grow. The third test, self-control. They come across a table full of mango treats, mango juice, sweets, and ice cream. A sign warns, "Eat only what you need." Guddu eats too much and his belly begins to swell like a balloon. He cries in pain. Pinky helps him lie down, and Chotu says, "This is why Ami tells me not to overeat." A cool breeze flows, and Guddu is healed. The feast vanishes, leaving behind a single ripe mango. After passing all the tests, Carry Chor reappears, now transformed into a kind, wise old man with a long white beard and a cloak made of mango leaves. He smiles and says, "All children are tempted to take before the time is right, but true heroes are those who learn patience, sharing, and moderation." He gives them the magical golden mango, saying it grants one wish. Together they say, "We wish for mangoes for everyone, every year, without greed." The golden mango glows and a warm light surrounds them. They return home to find that all the trees in the village are now filled with sweet, ripe mangoes. The entire village celebrates with joy. Children run through the fields, laughing, picking mangoes, and sharing with others. The three friends proudly share their story, reminding everyone that real sweetness comes not from stealing or rushing, but from patience, kindness, and sharing. And so, every year, that same mango tree reminds the village children of a story they never forget. Carry Chor and the magic mango. Assalamu alaikum. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Family Vault, and also press the bell icon. Please like and share as well.